Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 2 times x plus 21 equals 4 times x plus 5. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The right side has 4 times x. To collect the x terms on one side, subtract 4 times x from both sides. That gives negative 2 times x plus 21 equals 5. The plus 21 keeps 2 times x from standing alone. Subtract 21 from both sides to remove it. That gives negative 2 times x equals negative 16. Negative 2 is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by negative 2. Quick check. Substitute 8 for x. Both sides equal 37, so the equation balances. So, x equals 8.